Out on the Great Plains.
Hey guys, break's over. We're back on the road. Yeah, buddy. Whee! Heading westward, back to the Pacific Coast, baby. Yeah, Portland, Maine to the Pacific Coast. 2,121 miles down and about 1,800 to go. Man, this is awesome. What an amazing trip. So yeah, we'll be in another state today. Got about 70 miles to go. Get to another campsite. Oh yeah. It's gonna be a great day. Yeah, buddy. Woo-wee. So that was a nice break for the heat. That heat dome was something else, man. That was just brutal. Yeah, I met a couple cyclists yesterday going with the wind.